Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz Style. Today I'm going to show you how to do a really beautiful hairstyle called a Loop Waterfall Braid. Doesn't this look absolutely lovely? And it's so simple. So the first thing to do is to make sure that your hair is nicely brushed. We're then going to take a strand, like so. Once you're happy with how smooth it is, we're going to take it and loop it around your fingers, like this. Hold it at the bottom so that you've got a circle, and then clip it just for the moment so that it stays still. This is what you'll end up with. Now for the fun part. We're going to take another length of hair and we're going to loop it through the center of our original circle. We're now going to do the same thing. We're going to loop it and then we're going to clip it. All you need to do now is to repeat the process. Take a strand of hair, loop it through the circle, and then create a new loop. Once you've created the new loop, you can take the clip from the old loop and clip the new loop in place. As you create a new loop, each strand of hair will hold the old loop in place. See? Once you practice, you won't even need to use a clip. This is a great one to do at a sleepover with your friends. Work your way along the back of your head. You can make the loops as big or as small as you like. Keep going. Now we're getting to our last loop. Simply fix the edge with a bobby pin, and now you're finished. A beautiful loop waterfall braid. Doesn't it look gorgeous? I can't wait to try this with my friends. Let us know how you get on in the comment box below, boys and girls. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel above, and we will see you again really soon. Thanks so much for watching HooplaKidz Style. Bye!